Welcome back, my friends. Let us begin. Our dead are never dead to us until we have forgotten them. A normal human being does not want the kingdom of heaven, he wants life on earth to continue. For life and death are one, even as the river and the sea are one. Death commences too early, almost before you are half acquainted with life, you meet the other. The fear of death is the most unjustified of all fears, for there is no risk of accident for someone who's dead. He who is not busy being born is busy dying. Death is a challenge. It tells us not to waste time. It tells us to tell each other right now that we love each other. I don't want to die without any scars. Everyone dies eventually, whether they have power or not. That's why you need to think about what you'll accomplish while you're alive. You needn't die happy when your time comes, but you must die satisfied, for you have lived your life from the beginning to the end. It matters not how a man dies, but how he lives. The act of dying is not of importance, it lasts so short of a time. People living deeply have no fear of death. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes, because for those who love with their heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. It is not the length of life, but depth of life. The boundaries which divide life from death are at best shadowy and vague. Who shall say where the one ends and where the other begins? What would life be worth if there was no death? Who would enjoy the sun if it never rained? Who would yearn for the day if there were no night? Thank you for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel. Subscribe, leave a like, and if possible comment. And as always, stay strong.